When asked why they haven't bought a home, most Americans answer they don't have enough saved for a down payment and closing costs. Here's how to overcome that. Hi, I'm America, a real estate agent in Atlanta, Georgia, with the Luxury Living International team, here to help with all real estate needs and educating you on how to build wealth. In my last video, I spoke about some down payment assistance programs. Let's talk the Chenoa Fund. So who is the Chenoa Fund? The Chenoa Fund is a national down payment assistance program provided through by the CBC Mortgage Agency with a mission to increase nationwide affordable and sustainable homeownership with a focus on credit-worthy, moderate, and low-income individuals. And what do they provide? The Chenoa Fund provides repayable and forgivable loans. They will cover 3.5 or 5% of the purchase price or appraised value if that's lower. They also provide pre-purchase counseling as well as post-purchase outreach and counseling for the first 18 months after your purchase. So what do they require? The Chenoa Fund only requires a 600 plus credit score. Also, almost forgot. Fun fact I found out while researching for this video about the Chenoa Fund is that it's actually done by the CBC Mortgage Agency, which stands for the Cedar Band Corporation, which is entirely owned by the Cedar Band Paiutes in Utah. So that's pretty cool.